Okay, this time gagawa naman tayo ng parallel circuit. So since galing tayo dito, pag galing tayo dito, you can click here balik tayo sa Tinkercad dashboard. Ayan, pag nasa Tinkercad dashboard ka na, makikita nyo ulit to. So create and then circuits tayo. And then after that, so gawa ulit tayo. So kuha tayo ulit para ma-review yung gamit na Tinkercad. So gamit tayo ng ano uli. So we can click rotate again or R. So pwedeng R, pindutin nyo yung R. Yan. Okay. And then, ganun pa rin, tatlong LED. So gagawin natin to. This time yung parallel. So we're done with the series circuit. So as you can see here, you have here a positive. Okay, nakakonect lahat sa positive. Nandiyan yung resistors natin. And then negative. So this is a parallel circuit. So gawin natin. Okay, let's go back. So again, kuha tayo ng LED. So ulitin ko lang. This is your anode. Yung naka-bend na konti, this is your cathode. So rotate natin. Press R. Okay. Dito natin para ano. Yan. And then, Control C, Control V. Ginawa na natin kanina yan. Let's change it to yellow. And then again, Control C, Control V. Let's change it to green. Again, pwede siyang lagyan ng name if you want. And then this time, so dun sa ating circuit, mapapansin nyo, positive, doon nakakonect yung ating resistor. Okay? So, let's go back. So, kuha tayong resistor. Again, make it 220 ohms. Okay, para hindi masira yung LED natin kasi yung papasok is 9 volts. Okay, so meron tayo dito, ito. So, you have to rotate it. Press R. Okay, and then connect it dun sa ating positive source. Ayan, we have connect it to a positive source. And then copy paste, Control C, Control V. So lahat ilagay natin yan sa anode part, yung positive. Control C, Control V. Ayan. So we have connection already with the positive source. Let's put a source sa ating negative source. So click lang natin yung negative side. Tignan tayo ng negative. Then you have here negative and negative. Okay? So siguro palitan natin yung kulay. Negative, gawin natin siyang black. So ito yan. Pwede natin palitan. So lahat ng negative natin ay nasa, ang kulay ng wire ay black. Okay? And then, next is, maglagay tayo ng source. So we have battery 9 volts. So yung negative side, again, so i-click nyo para mabebend natin siya, para magka-joint. Ayan. So negative, block. And then, lagay naman natin to sa positive. Okay. Sa positive. Lagi ako hindi pumapantay. So, gawin natin red para positive. Ayan. Okay. So now, let's check. Start simulation. Let's check our circuit if it's correct. Ayan. So, correct siya kasi milaw na siya. Then, stop simulation. So, that is how to create a parallel circuit. So, you can change the name. Parallel circuit. Okay? So, oh, yeah. Okay. Kala ko hindi napalitan. Okay. Bye for now.